Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how we can easily transfer crypto from Blockfi to Binance. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be on Blockfi, next to the trade on a menu is going to see withdraw. Click on it. Right then you're going to have a currency here and you just choose if it's going to be Bitcoin or whatever coin you want, let's say Bitcoin. Then we're going to see the withdrawals are subject. Okay, you add what amount you want to withdraw. My recommendation, don't actually send everything. Send only a small amount so you actually know if it's working. If you're gonna send everything and lose it, it will be painful. But if you're gonna send, I don't know, let's say $10, you'll be like, okay, whatever. It's not working, I need to change different, like let's say wallet or something, right? So what you need to do is actually come on Binance, go to wallet, overview. Right here, you want to click fiat and spot. Then you can have Bitcoin here and you want to click deposit. And copy address. Now in Blockfi, I will add the amount here and I will select the wallet, new wallet. And I will just paste the code here, review withdrawal, wallet address. Okay, it's what I see right now. And this is how we can withdraw and transfer from Blockfi to Binance. Then you just like confirm it and you got it. So thank you very much guys for watching. But again, transfer small amount first, then transfer everything else. Goodbye.